So being this thick, it's hard to cut it with regular cutters or whatever the case. So I had to use bolt cutters to cut the actual wire to size. Now I'm using this tool to trim the coating off. I guess that's what you call it. So you put this on, it has a blade in there, as you can see. So it has a blade, and you go around it a couple times. And you don't want to go too far because it'll start cutting the actual wire inside. You just want to cut the rubber on the outside. So as you go around a couple times, you can feel it to start hitting the actual metal. Then on the end has a little slice. So you can put this in here, like this, and slice the edge. On this side, it didn't cut all the way through. That's okay. So see, you get a pretty good cut. And then you put your lug on. And you have to try to make sure you get all the strands inside. There it is. So once you get that on, then you crimp it with this hydraulic crimper. Now they make a couple different types. This one works really good so far. You put the, I'll show you. Make it easier, right? So I have to do this one. So you also want to make sure your lugs are turned the same way. So see how this flat here, flat there? You want to keep it kind of the same because this wire is real tough and it's hard to, move around. So if you don't have those in the right spot, when you go to get the other side, if it's turned sideways, it's hard to turn it. So you want to, keep an eye on that. Make sure you have them the same. So you slide it in here. Make sure it's pumping it. Now there's a couple ways to do this. Some people put this in, pump it down, and then put the wire in. But I seem to work better like this. So when you press it, this cylinder presses against that and it crimps it. So I'm going to do that now.